All right, guys. So I already made a full tutorial on this, but a lot of you had questions in the comments. And honestly, some of those questions pointed out steps that people are commonly getting wrong. So let's just clear everything up right now, step by step. The most common complaint I keep seeing is, Austin, my UI is stretched, but the enemies and bots still look normal. And that right there is almost always a step order problem or a missed setting. So let me address that first. The very first thing you do before anything else is go into Valorant's in-game settings. Set your display to full screen and set the aspect ratio to fill. Now, the fill part is what most people skip over, and that's exactly why their enemies aren't stretching. When your GPU forces the stretched resolution, the fill setting tells the game to completely fill out that resolution. So it's not just the UI that stretches, the actual gameplay, the enemies, everything stretches with it. Half your black bar issues are also fixed right here. So again, full screen, fill, apply. Do this first before touching anything else. Now, the second most common issue, and this one's a big one. A lot of you are saying your resolution resets the moment you launch the game, or it snaps back to your Windows resolution. Here's why that happens and how to stop it. After you've set the in-game settings and closed the game, you go into the config file, the GameUserSettings.ini, and you set your resolution there. Now, the line that people most commonly miss is right above the scalability groups section. You need to type full screen mode equals 2, not 1, not 0, 2. That's what locks the game into true full screen with your custom resolution. Without that line, the game ignores everything else. After that, save the notepad file. Then right-click on GameUserSettings.ini, go to Properties, and check Read Only. This is what actually prevents the game from resetting your config on every launch. Don't skip this. And lastly, your GPU control panel. Set the resolution there to match exactly what you typed in the config file. Then go into the scaling settings and set it to full screen. Not aspect ratio, not no scaling, full screen. That's what removes the black bars at the Windows level. And one more thing, follow the order. In-game settings first, then config file with the game closed, then GPU control panel. A lot of people do these out of order and then wonder why it didn't work. Now, a question that came up a few times. What if you don't have NVIDIA or AMD? Well, Intel's built-in GPU has its own control panel too. Just make sure your Intel graphics drivers are downloaded and up to date, and you'll find the same scaling options in there. And if your resolution, like 1440 by 1080, isn't showing up as an option in your GPU control panel, don't worry. Just Google Valorant stretch resolutions and pick any one you like. Whatever resolution you choose, use that same one in the config file and in the control panel. Just don't change the in-game resolution inside Valorant itself. Leave that alone. Alright guys, that covers everything. If you're still having trouble after following all of this, drop it in the comments and I'll help you out.